This 2024 Cruiser RV Avenir A-27BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Cruiser RV is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features OASIS interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.